Hello. Thank you for submitting your elevator speech. You did a good job. I want you to think about sitting down for your next speech. Um, I've noticed that you're holding your papers and trying to follow your speech, your ideas along by reading them as you stand in front of your camera. If you're sitting down, that will eliminate some of the um, energy leakage that I see on the screen. Public speaking is about controlling your conscious energy and in that way encouraging your viewer to control theirs by looking at you and following along with your ideas. However, if you don't give us any eye contact or very limited eye contact, it's hard for us to stay listening and to stay interested in what you have to say. So if you sit down and move your camera a little closer to you and try for a headshot like the one I'm demonstrating here, um, you perhaps will find it easier to look into the camera lens and to draw your listener into the content of your speech. Now we're going to be working with several techniques in future classes on how to free yourself from the script, how to get so that you don't have to have the script in hand, that you will remember the sequence of your ideas. But that's for a future class. I think we begin that work in milestone 3. So stay tuned and I hope you're enjoying the class.